Okay, so in this video, we'll be looking at Venn diagrams involving three sets, and we're going to use this question to really explain the concept behind Venn diagrams with involving three sets. So in this question, we have in an examination for the final year students of a school written by 50 students. Of course, that will be our universal set. So universal set will be 50 students. Then 20 offered history. So my history, I'll use H for that, and that is 20 offering history. 18 offered economics. I'll use E for economics, and that is 18. 16 offered literature. So L for literature will be 16. And 9 offered history and economics. So history and economics, that's H and E, history and economics, is 9. So 9 offered history and economics. 8 offered history and literature. History and literature will be 8. And 7 offered economics and literature. Economics and literature will be 7. That will be 7. And then 5 candidates offered all the 3 subjects. So for history, economics, and literature, we have 5 people offering the 3 of them. And they now said find the number that offered history only, economics only, literature only, and none of the 3 subjects. Of course, this kind of question where only a Venn diagram can help you really get the answer to these questions here: history only, economics only, literature only, and none of the subjects. So representing this on a Venn diagram, we have 3 sets. What are the 3 sets? History, economics, and literature. And of course, we now know that a number of the students offer the 3. So we are going to make those 3 circles intersect. So this is my very big rectangle, and then I'll fix in the sets there, and the sets will be drawn in circles. So the first one, the second one, and the third one, you can see they are intersecting each other. So this will be my history, H, this will be my economics, and this will be my literature. And to really get the question and not to make any form of mistakes, you have to start from the center, start from the number that offered the 3 of them, and which is 5. So 5 offered both history, economics, and literature. So I'm fixing 5 in the center there. So 5 will enter here. So this is done already. Then you continue with the other intersections. So the next one is economics and literature, 7. This is the part that shows economics and literature. This is the intersection for economics and literature, and it's 7. But I already have 5 there, so it's remaining 2 to make it 7. So this is settled. Now for history and literature is 8. This is history, literature. This is the part. This is intersection for history and literature. And how many? It is 8. If this is the part for the whole history and literature, I already have 5. It's remaining 3 to make it 8. So 5 plus 3 gives you the 8 for history, literature. And then for economics, literature, this is the part. 5 plus 2 still gives you 7. So we are on track. The next one is history and economics. History, economics, this is the intersection for history and economics. And I already have 5. It's supposed to be 9. I already have 5 there also, so it's remaining 4 to make it 9. So that is settled. So we've settled this one. Then let's go to literature only. This is the circle for literature only, and it should be 16, like what they wrote here. 16, I already have 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, that's 10. So it's remaining 6 to make it 16. So it's already 16 now. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2, 10, plus this 6 is now 16. So that's correct. Then for economics, economics is 18. This is the whole of economics here. It should be 18. And I already have some numbers inside already. I have 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2. I already have 11 already, and it should be 18. So I'll just add 7 to make it 18. So this is done. So everything here is now 18. Then the last one is history, 20. This is the whole of history here. It should be 20. I already have 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3. I already have 12 inside, and it should be 20. So it's remaining 8 to make it 20. And of course, I'm putting my universal set here, which is 50. So I already have the right number of students inside each of the sets. But according to the question, they said history only. So we can now answer the question. Question A, history only will now be 8. Only this value here that is not in any of the other circles. Then the B part, economics only, is now 7. 7. And the C part, literature only, is now 6. And the last one, none of the subject, that is D. Let's find out. And that one will be outside here, since that number did not offer any of the 3. It will be outside. It will not be inside any of the sets. So it will be outside. But let's find out. We are going to add up these ones and remove from 50 to find out the one that offered none of the 3. So 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 7 is 19, plus 3, 22, plus 5, 27, plus 2 is 29, plus 6, that's 35. So remove 35 from 50. So 50, let me do that one up here. 50 minus 35 will give us 15. So 15 people offered none of the subject, and they'll be outside here. So this is just the basics of Venn diagrams involving 3 sets. If you can understand it this way, then you can solve any other complex question under Venn diagrams involving 3 sets. So it's very simple.